What's up, y'all? It's the most entertaining Eagles content creator in the game. Your boy, B.O.B.S, CoolCat-Mitch, YouTube representing the birds. Before we start this video, if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, like, subscribe, and comment to the CoolCat-Mitch channel. Also, subscribe to the Birds of Broad Street YouTube channel with me, Simone, One Trey Rock, Smitty, and Notion Gang. Also, subscribe to the CoolCat-Mitch YouTube channel with me and MK Mitch Kowalski. And also, subscribe to the Y'all Still Them Boys YouTube channel where I deal with them straight rats, the Dallas Cowboys. So please, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, like, subscribe, and comment to the CoolCat-Mitch, Birds of Broad Street, Y'all Still Them Boys, and the CoolCat-Mitch YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video. What's up, y'all? It's the most entertaining Eagles content creator in the game. Your boy, B.O.B.S, CoolCat-Mitch YouTube, representing the birds. Got my Devontae Smith, my Devontae Smith, my God jersey right in here. Yes, sir. Kelly Green, baby. Kelly Green. So the Philadelphia Eagles are on vacation until training camp. Our Philadelphia Eagles is not at the NovaCare complex. They're certainly not here at the Link. But they're on vacation. The whole team went to the Boston Celtics, Dallas Maverick game and enjoyed themselves. But my message to the Philadelphia Eagles, as you're on vacation, come back here to the NovaCare complex. Come back here to the Link. Come back here to this city ready to go. Come back here to this city ready to go. Come back here letting everybody know they want Philly. Come back here healthy and focused. Because I want my boy Jalen freaking Hurts to win a Lombardi trophy. I want A.J. Brown to win a Lombardi trophy. I want Devontae Smith, my God, to win a Lombardi trophy. I want Goddard to win one. I want Saquon Barkley to win one. I want Lane and Jordan Mailata, Leonard Dixon, and Cam Jerkin to win one. I need Brandon Graham to win one before he runs off to the sunset. I want Josh Sweat to win one. I want Jordan Davis, the Kobe Dean, Mr. Nolan Smith to win one. I want Avonte Maddox to win one. I want Big Play Slay, Isaiah Rodgers, CJ, Gardner Johnson to win one. I want this city to finally, once again, have a parade down Broad Street. I want it. The city wants it. So I want these players and these coaching staff to be prepared, be focused, be mentally tough as you get on your vacation. As you get ready for training camp, be focused. Get here healthy. Get here healthy. That's what I want. That's what I want. I want every last one of y'all to get here healthy. By the way, look at this Kelly Green. Look at this Kelly Green. Devontae Smith, my God. Watch this. Watch this. What's this? Hold on. Hold on. You know what? Y'all know what? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You know what? Yes, sir. Woo! Much better. Get back to us healthy and ready to go. Thank you. Get back here healthy, ready to go. Get ready for training camp, ready to go. Get ready for the season, ready to go. To rock the black, the white, the Kelly, and the midnight green in that stadium. I want y'all ready to go. Knock on wood. Whatever you can knock on it. I want you healthy. I want you ready to go. I want you to be prepared. That 95% of the playbook, Jalen, get on it. I don't want no Cowboy fans. Let's be prepared. Let's get ready to go. Let's rock our Kelly Green Eagles Nation. There's no days off for us. There's no days off for us here in this. Rock your midnight green. Let all these haters, doubters, and critics know that they ain't like us. And let's get ready for the season, y'all. Let's get ready for the season. That's beautiful stadium. I'm sorry. And I'm rocking Devontae Smith, my God. Kelly Green. And once again, I repeat, that is a beautiful stadium right there. All I need is AJ Brizown and I'll be good to go. I'll be good to go. I look good in Kelly Green. I'll see y'all soon.